All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just going to give you guys a quick update on the union process here, what exactly I'm doing and how I'm going to try to join that and everything like that. So anyways, like I said, I called. My coworker gave me someone from the union's phone number. I called them. I think he was like the president or something, like the hiring president or something like that. So I called him. He said he'll have someone call me. Someone called me, and that guy, I don't know who he was exactly. It says here in his email, membership development or something like that. So anyways, he emailed me and said, send an email to this email address, which I'm not going to share. He said, and then he basically gave me a quote of just copy and paste this and email that email address. Says, hey, my name is John. I'm working with that guy's name. I would like to sign inside book 4. I've attached a picture of my state ID. Here's my phone number, and contact me for any additional information. And I also sent a picture of my social security card or whatever. And then, and I'll show you the application here that I haven't started filling out yet, which I'm gonna do right now after I finish this video. So I'll show you what it looks like. It's just a couple pages, and then the things that I have to send to this guy are a copy of my state ID, a copy of my electrical licenses, which I'm just going to take a picture of since I don't have a photocopier or whatever. And then he also wants like a recent pay stub or W-2, basically just showing 1,500 hours working in the area or jurisdiction. And then he also says like a recent utility bill on my name and from 1 year ago, which I don't have because I just moved here, but basically that's just basically for showing my jurisdiction or where I live, or like a mortgage, lease, tax, insurance statement, and then a copy of my completed or recognized apprenticeship. So I have a certificate over there on the floor in a frame that I will take a picture of. And then he just said send everything to me and I will submit it. And he said it takes like 2 to 3 days to get processed. So that's really all the information I have to send. And I just want to give you guys an update on that. So what that looks like from transferring from the non-union to the union, that's the information that this guy's looking for. I will show you the information here really quick on the paperwork. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, here we go. All right, so like you guys already know, I live in Washington State, close to the Oregon border. So this is like an Oregon apprenticeship, local 48. So basically name, address, city, all that good stuff. You can read here for yourself. Email address, social security number, cell phone, zip code. And then basically it says, I haven't really read this yet, in all 4 categories below, each must be met. Copies of all documents qualifying for each of the categories must be attached to this application, yada yada. So basically I have to hit all 4 of these. Here's one, which is 4 years of experience, which is proven by Oregon Journeyman card, Washington Journeyman card, and then 1,500 hours. Yeah, so basically just working 1,500 hours in their jurisdiction, which I will be able to prove just by like former W-2s or check stubs and stuff like that. And then I'm going over here to the second page, residency within the IBEW, local 48 jurisdiction, and then education/certification. And then basically just sign that, and then I think they signed this part, I believe. So that's just all the information that I'm going to fill out. I have my, like I said, my cards and stuff like that I will take pictures of, social security cards and stuff like that. My apprentice completion certificate, and that's pretty much it. Also, like I said, the check stubs and a few other things, but that's pretty much it. Seems pretty straightforward. And I'll also show you one more thing here real quick. All right, so these are the things that I kept getting in the mail. Someone left me a comment saying, oh, I don't think you actually get $50 an hour, and that's only the whole package. Well, actually, it's not, because 1, they send me these, and I know how to read, and 2, I already forgot. So anyways, it says Wage package 48, general journeyman's 2021 $50 an hour on the check, $14 an hour in retirement, full family health care, 130 in flex benefit and stuff like that. So I don't know if that's the full package or if there's more on top of that, because I know there's also retirement and pension and stuff like that. So I thought this number was $25 an hour. So that might be a little bit more, but on the check is $50.35 an hour. For anyone who doesn't believe that, there it is. So anyways, that's that. So I just want to give you guys an update on that, and I think that's pretty much going to wrap it up. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this information out, and then I'll keep you guys posted when I hear back from them and how that all works out. So like I said, I put in my 2 weeks notice at my company, so that'll end on Wednesday the 13th or something like that. Let me check the date real quick. Wednesday the 13th, and yeah, so I'll give you guys an update, like I said, in a few days once I hear back, once I send this information in, and that should do it. All right, thanks guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Hopefully you guys have a great new year. If you guys like this and want to stay updated on the process, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here. Thank you for blowing up the channel. That last video I uploaded was almost at 2,000 views, which is crazy. Never had a video go that viral that fast, and the subscribers, I got like 100 subscribers in like 3 days, which is also the fastest. My channel is like doing the best it's ever done right now, and I just thank you guys so much for the likes, the subscriptions, everything, comments, all that good stuff. So the views and all that. So anyways, that's gonna do it. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Also follow me on Instagram at Daily Electrician YT. And that'll do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.